on guys, Tolani here, and welcome to Content Strategy. This is another tutorial about how to create simple but professional intro animation tests in Node Video Editor app. Today we are looking at the phase 5 on how to create this simple but professional intro test animation inside Node Video Editor app. Today we're going to be looking how to create a drop-in by character animation just like this. But before we jump start, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't yet already, please, we give weekly tips, tools and strategies to build your online presence just like this. And everything mentioned in this video, you can as well find the links to them in the video description. So without further saying, let's jump into the Node Video Editor app and let's get started. So the first thing we want to do when we are on the platform is to make sure that our project setting is set properly. We have to make sure our resolution is in 1920 by 1080p as well, to give us that resolution, and as well our frame rate, and as well preview resolution to 25%. Leave the current layer as current since we are working on a single file. So as usual, you're gonna be clicking on the plus icon, then go to test. So now you have your test editing property by your left. So now you can change this to any text you like. So I'm gonna be use this as an example, but for you it's gonna be different. So I'm gonna hit on this, then I'm gonna be using this editing property to twist this up to my taste. You can change it. You can as well bold your text in the font style, your dilate to increase the width as well. But for this tutorial I'm going to leave all these as well. You can space it up depending on what you like, but for this tutorial I'm going to be leaving this because we want that drop in by character effect. So now what we're going to be doing now is go to test animation. So this is where you're going to be choosing the animation preset, which will allow you to create that animation in a drop effect. So what you want to choose is you want to make sure you choose the bounce, because once you drop it on the test, it starts displaying a bounce effect on the test. So we don't want this kind of test, we want the drop-in animation. So we want to be twisting this interpolation editing property up. So what you want to do to have that drop-in effect is, number one, the first one you want to do is to change your frequency to negative 0.1. Then hit on OK. Then you want add on to your amplitude. You want to make sure your amplitude is set to 57. Hit OK. Then you come down to your face. You make sure your face is set to 2.99. Then hit on OK. Make sure your using typewriter is off so it won't type the text, which is not going to be giving you that drop-in effect. So let's see what we have. Can you see we have that drop effect? It's pretty cool for reviewing our text. So after you've through with this, you can just come around and change the drop-in from different perspectives. If you want to change the perspective, you come to your amplitude. This is 57. You just add negative 57. So the drop is going to be coming from the beneath perspective. Can you see it? It's going to be coming from under perspective. Likewise, you can as well change the speed. If you want the speed to slow, so if you want to slow the drop in, you just make sure your frequency is set to 00. Then you have that slow dropping of those characters from perspective you set. So you can as well change the perspective. Just add negative to this. So the perspective is going to be changing. It's going to be coming from under perspective in a slow direction. So I hope you gain value out of this video. If you did, hit that like button. So after you are okay with this, then you're gonna hit on your export as usual. Make sure you set your resolution to high resolution, which is 1920 by 1080p. Then your quality, set it to high as possible. Then you hit on your export. So you are done with your animation. So you can create as many animation you like. Since you know all this, you can copy all the figure and tricks to have this awesome app. So if you gain value out of this video so far, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more, and leave me a comment about what you think about this drop-in by character animation inside Node Video Editor app. So we come to the end of this video, and as always, I'll see you in the comment section. Have a great day.